Hi, it's Kelsey from strawberryblondemom, and I'm here to just quickly review and talk about our whole house water filter system, and it's by Aquasure, and it's the Signature Elite House Filtration System. So we bought a bundle package, and I'm going to go through each part that we did buy because you do get a discount, but you can also buy each component separately if you're interested in that. But I wanted to do a pretty detailed review because this is really important to me and our family. It's one of the first things that we did when we moved into our new home. And it is 100% worth every penny that we paid. So we have a family of 4, soon to be 5, as you can see. So each system, you can buy the system that you need based on the number of people in your family and the number of bathrooms that you have. So we opted for the 1000K system because we will have a semi-large family of 5, but they also make a 600K for a family of 3, and then a 1500K for a family of 7 or above. So we went with the middle one. It's the 1000K. So you see that there's these 4 components that go with the house filtration system, and this is the pre-filter, so it's just a paper filter, and the water goes through that first. Then it goes here. This is the Fortitude series. This is the water filter. So this filters every drop of water that goes through our house. It's a carbon filter and uses carbon beads. This is the water filtration system. So this is the water softener. So this uses salt crystals or pellets. That's what you normally would see. That's your traditional water softener. And if you come in closer, I'll show you the salt that we use just so you can get a close-up and a visual of what we're using. That's what it looks like in there. You're going to replace that every so often. You can get pellets from your local hardware store or on Amazon. So the reason why I love having filtered water in our home and softened water in our home is because we have 2 toddlers. I cook all the time. I love having pure, clean water. I love knowing that, we don't have to buy bottled water. It's definitely more eco-friendly. And it tastes so much better than just hard water from your city. We live in a place where the water is not great. It's really hard on our appliances. It's really hard on my hair. It doesn't taste good. So this is just a really great way to protect your investment if you have nice appliances, your washing machine, your dishwasher, your water heater. It's gonna really extend the life on all of your appliances in your home that use water. I'm not kidding you, your coffee will even taste better if you make it with this filtered water. When I shower, I notice that my skin's softer, my hair looks better, there's less kind of buildup on the shower door. You don't have to squeegee, there's no calcium buildup in my dishwasher. It's definitely worth every penny that we paid. And then the last component that comes with this bundle is the reverse osmosis system that's underneath our kitchen sink, and I will show you that next. As far as installation goes, my husband was actually able to do it himself. He's not an expert level plumber, but he knows the basics and had the right tools. And he let me know that if you have the tools and you have kind of a basic knowledge of plumbing, it's fairly easy to install yourself. However, if you were like me and had no knowledge whatsoever of plumbing, you could absolutely call your local plumber and have them come install it for you. And I would say that price would definitely vary based on where you are and your existing plumbing. Okay, so this is just a little bit of a close-up of our reverse osmosis system. This is what's going to give you that really crisp, fresh, alkaline tasting drinking water. I cook with this. You can make baby bottles with it. You don't need bottled water if you make like formula bottles. Your food's going to taste better when you cook with this. Your coffee pot is going to make better coffee. So this is what it looks like. These are where the water goes through to get filtered. Don't mind our Instahot. That just makes the water hot or cold. I can do a separate review for that. But you change these filters out about every 9 months, which is very easy to do. And then that's just the tank that the water goes into. And then the spigot that the water comes out is right here. And you just get fresh, really, really amazing tasting water. And the hot takes a little bit longer to come out, but that's our system. I hope this review was helpful, and I definitely recommend purchasing this. It's totally worth it. I would do it again and again. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.